You watching Grandpa's cows up on the hill?
That little blonde-haired boy is 2-year-old me in 1997, right here at my grandparents' house. This is my grandpa's farmland behind me. I grew up just down the road from here. Something about how things were filmed then, the boring life, quote unquote, in the 90s, early 2000s, it just looks so easy and stress-free looking back on it now. But can we still get back to that? Can we still make our lives feel the same way through our own footage? I grew up, moved away from home, got married, and then my wife and I had our daughter, and life just started moving faster than I could have ever expected. Around that same time, I started building my video production business. I spent so much time filming other people's companies, other people's stories, and other people's moments. And somewhere in all that, I realized I was barely filming my own life.
What are you thinking of me?
It's clips like this where my dad's holding my little brother Josh and I'm standing right here playing and my grandpa's across from the table. This is that exact spot. But that kind of content is what I want in my own life. And it's crazy, you know, I have a video production business and I forget to film my own life sometimes. I have the expensive cameras, the action cameras, but I just needed to do it. So a few years ago, I decided, you know what, it doesn't matter what camera I'm using, it matters what I'm shooting. So 99% of the time, I'm using my iPhone to capture my life. Good job. I think the modern age has made us appreciate less the most powerful memory-keeping device most of us carry every single day. We've got this tool in our pocket that our parents and grandparents never even had. And what are we doing with it? Doom scrolling. Our brains don't store memories like a hard drive. They store them more like old home movies. Warm, a little soft around the edges, not always precise, but they tell the story. Nostalgia has a way of quietly editing out the hard parts, leaving you with something that feels better than it probably was. That bittersweet ache, missing a time, a place, the people in it, is one of the ways we stay connected to what mattered.
Hey, Rick.
I feel like if I tried to swing on a rope swing like that right here today, I would probably break either the branch or the rope. But that's my brother and I in 2004. I was 9 and he was 7. You know, it's those little things that you see in home videos, though, that take you right back to those moments. It's the cars your parents drove. It's the toys you played with, the random things you'd see on a bookshelf in the background of the video. And of course, the people that looked so much younger. But you know, it's those little things that shaped a chapter of our life that doesn't exist anymore. But you can change that. You can be proactive today to record all of those new moments, those new memories with your family before those moments just pass you by.
Your face all dirty. Did you get in the mud and the dirt? Oh, poor Woody. Woody is on the ground. Is he all dirty?
It doesn't matter if it's a cinema camera or just your iPhone. Film it like nobody's going to watch it, because the goal was never performance. It was preservation. Your future self will thank you, and so will the people who come after you, who want to know that you are a real person just like them. I can't tell you how many times I wish I had old home movies of my grandparents when they were young, just to know what they were like. Well, this is your opportunity to give your future grandchildren that very gift. Being home this week in New York has just reminded me all over again why I even picked up a camera years ago. And it was to film my boring life. It's just those random everyday things, the random evening meal, playing sports with your siblings, doing dumb stuff with your brother like I did.
Whoa, that was huge.
Because hey, you gotta remember the dumb stuff you did. It's those kinds of things that you're gonna want back someday. So that's my reminder for you and for myself. Record your boring life. It's not as boring as you think, but you need to record it. Not for anybody else, not for content. Do it for yourself before those moments fade away.